Find your dream home and experience the magic of Italy. Your journey starts here with Houses in Piedmont Real Estate. Subscribe to our channel to discover our newest properties and stunning homes across Piedmont. It's completely free, and your support really helps us grow. Nestled in the heart of the Italian Alps, in the charming Val Varaita, lies the ancient village of Bellino. Imagine a place where time stands still, surrounded by the majestic peaks of Monviso. Far from the crowded tourist trails, this hidden corner of Piedmont offers pure air, absolute silence, and breathtaking views. And here in this peaceful setting stands a stunning stone house, meticulously restored from the 18th century. Spread over 100 square meters, it features a bright, open-plan living area with a cozy wood-burning fireplace, 2 bedrooms and 2 modern bathrooms. Outside, a private garden of over 1,000 square meters awaits you, perfect for sunny days and summer barbecues. A unique retreat, ready to become your dream home in the mountains. Don't just dream it, live it. Contact us today to discover this rare gem. Discover your Italian dream. Houses in Piedmont Real Estate.